Mackenzie, and Edna, and also Dina, and Will too. But before I go, Will,
yeah,
are you expecting any gifts from your wife?
She be listening.
I don't expect anything, but will I get something? Yes, but I don't.
No.
Expect
Since you say you don't expect anything, Madam Will swap tande, Papa Michel.
No, because me, I don't. Because when I say that, it's like to me, just a gift at that moment doesn't. As I said, I don't. I've said that before. I don't do holidays. I don't even like the idea of that one day. So that's why I'm saying that.
Well, if my wife is listening right now, since she's never listened to the show anyway.
What would you like for Valentine's Day?
No. What kind of question is that? Who told you I want to spend? If my wife is listening, the gift that I want, the gift that I want, I don't want her to buy it. It's something she already has. I think I just want it. So don't buy anything if my wife is listening. So that's better, you know what I mean? So I guess. Look at Dina.
I agree. Well, listen, I'm always,
well,
Dina is on into it.
I'm always for that. So. So I agree.
So wonderful. So do you guys believe in, right now there's a lot of things going on where a lot of men, they cutting girls off right now. This is the week when they stop talking. When they stop talking to you.
Oui, you save money après ça we long.
Konya la ne gene konya ki tout sa chick konya sa chick on l'autre côté. You will pas la in 2 weeks.
Oui.
That never happened to you, any of you?
Hell no. I
wish a nigga would.
You know why it never happened to me? Like I said, the last time I had a Valentine, I was sick. I can't remember the last time I had a Valentine. So.
Call Gaff.
I don't fréquent.
Call Gaff.
Afro bon oui non. Afro pas bon.
I think her Valentine is like that was like, but I don't think anyone would come up to you and be like.
When I say Valentine, I mean somebody who really, wants to be your Valentine.
Yeah,
like somebody who
called and asked and had everything planned. Now,
he didn't even call. I didn't even know. It was extremely unexpected. I think a Valentine's mean is something that is unexpected. You get.
I think
a Valentine is somebody who maybe has a crush on you that you had absolutely no idea
was the best Valentine
that had a crush on you, and there it is. It's like that's why Cupid.
I think what you're discussing about, someone that's single, because you never know. I think in Haiti it was more like that. Maybe it's because like we didn't have much, so it was like that moment you're trying to surprise the person and let them know. But here it's like
elementaries like that.
Okay.
It's like that for elementary kids.
It is.
Yeah.
I think my son has a Valentine because he's been asking me for money.
To be my Valentine. Like,
my
6-year-old
been asking me for money.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah. As we get older, we don't get that anymore. That's why I think
he has a Valentine.
You saying you haven't had a Valentine in a long time, I believe it's because not when you get older and you're dating, it's not like, babe, do you want to be my Valentine?
No, and that's the problem. That's the problem.
So that's what you're saying. I'm sure you've had
adults
gifts
need
and stuff.
No.
Around.
No.
She's been clear. She hasn't gotten anything.
Literally, like I've gotten flowers here and there, but it's nothing like. But not actually on Valentine's. Like, I'm taking that back because I haven't gotten flowers on Valentine's. I can't remember the last time I had a gift on Valentine's.
C'est film dévoué pour son bassin de jeunes.
Après
show.
Qui a adresse de fois?
Ah, moi de Daphne c'est ma journaliste.
So okay, we're talking about Valentine's and the way we talk about it right now, we're talking about like boyfriend and girlfriends and
why does it have to be boyfriend?
But I've seen something, another aspect of Valentine's in America, like the commercialized aspect of it, where now like we're giving gifts to co-workers, to sisters, to women that we know in our lives and things like that.
Why not?
You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just saying. So, I mean, what exactly is Valentine's though?
I think Valentine's should be reserved for that special someone that maybe it's that day that you have enough balls.
But when I go to the Hallmark aisle, I said, when I go to the Hallmark aisle, are we going to be right back on you? But when I go to the Hallmark aisle, I see Valentine's for friends, for sisters, for coworkers, for moms, for mother-in-laws, for this,
They
this,
want
and that.
you to spend money on everything.
What is it? What is it? Like a business?
Of course, it's a business.
Everything is business. You go
So
to the doctor.
what
it's
love
business.
got what love got to do with it though?
That invented holiday.
What's love got to do with it?
And that's the thing. Love, and that's like I said earlier. If you wait until Valentine's Day to show somebody that you love them and care for them, they ain't the one, baby. Okay, you need to reevaluate.
Let's take the question from the studio before we go back. What was the question?
I don't have a question. I was just going to say that Valentine's Day is just a day of love. It's not any, it's overrated because you're talking about it right now because you want it to be this big ordeal, but it really isn't. It's just a day of love.
Valentine's is a day of love.
But if love is every day, why there has to be a specific day of love?
The same. Okay, just like Christmas, we should be getting gifts every year. Like every time, we should be getting gifts. We should be doing stuff for our kids and everything. But Christmas somehow happened to be that one time of the year that you get gifts.
Mother's Day.
Yeah,
Mother's Day
like,
or birthday.
But we're speaking of love here, though.
But still,
Why?
Love is a daily occurrence.
There you go.
Still, you should appreciate your mother every day of the year. Not
A celebration of love.
Mother's Day.
I'm just telling you, growing up, my sisters and I, my mom would buy us like little things just to say I love you.
I love you.
She would do
Yeah,
that
I think
throughout
it's.
the years, but because it's Valentine's Day, it's just a celebration to be like, yes.
And you don't want to be that one left out person without a Valentine's card.
The way you dissect it, it's just another day.
Yeah.
But yet the
So-
world celebrates it. That's
So
all.
pretty much it's
Don't be that
not.
one awkward person that's like going on every Valentine's
I
Day.
know, right?
No, don't be that person.
I'm not trying to be like that, but I'm just sick and tired of like you waking up on Valentine's Day trying to take somebody or so somewhere and there's a whole line like everywhere you
And
go.
that's what I said.
I'm-
Stop
I'm-
taking people.
man,
Stop taking people somewhere. That's the problem.
No,
You sit there and you take
most
people
women,
somewhere. Why?
Most women
Go
right
out to
now,
dinner.
most women right now, if you don't take him somewhere on
I don't want to go to
Valentine's
dinner.
Day,
Don't take me to
like-
dinner.
Me neither.
Don't take me to
Most-
dinner.
most
take
of
me
them.
out.
Don't-
First of all,
Well-
I'll get annoyed over
Alright,
couples that just
so-
goes out
you
only
bet-
on Valentine's Day.
you-
Like, oh, babe, I love you.
you better have money to buy some Rolex and some diamonds and stuff.
Oh, and that's where you get to know what kind of woman that you're dealing with.
Thank you.
Keyword.
Yeah,
And I said that. That's when you, men, if your woman, all she care about is getting pretty and going out, number one, you either are doing something that you're not supposed to be doing or you haven't been doing the right thing. Or number two, baby shield. Listen, okay?
Yeah,
if you already
no.
have a wife, she's already yours. He's already your husband. Listen, ladies, if you know your husband been working, okay, he's been busy. You go ahead and you go to Vicky's. Okay, Vicky's is Victoria's Secret. I'm gonna get a bit ratchet here. Okay, you go to Vicky's. Okay, you go ahead and you get some body oils. You get whatever needs to be. You get some Victoria's Secret lingerie, whatever, and you put that on. You make sure, even if you haven't been practicing. Okay, call your girlfriend who know how to twerk some, and you say, "Baby." Okay.
Okay.
Listen.
Right?
Okay, look. Is Valentine's Day sexy enough?
Is it sexy enough?
If it's
You
sex,
make
no, if
Valentine's
it's
Day- no, you
sex
make-
on Valentine's Day,
you-
is that enough for a gift?
It depends on who you're dealing with.
It depends on how you do it. Also.
If you have strawberries and roses,
Yeah,
although
so it's
if I have a train of roses coming from when I'm coming from work, okay, a bath running, and then some cherries, heck yeah, baby, take it off, yes. But if I sit there and I get in the door and then you like, here,
No.
honey, you ain't getting none. I'm sorry.
Y'all very demanding.
We're not. It's just that we want you to try. Valentine's Day is the day that you show your appreciation, your love to that person. And it is overrated. Yes, you don't need to go out. No, but you know what? You make sure that you put some form of effort into it. For me, as long as a man is putting effort, and that's the problem. I think that's the problem with most women. Men stop putting effort. Put effort into it. Put thought into it. I don't care. You don't need to buy me nothing. You don't. You don't need to buy me anything, but put effort into it. Either cook, make sure that I have a couple rose petals at the door or something.
Something different. Something.
You know?
Even if you cook, it's okay if you usually cook, but this time put rose petals.
There
When
you
I walk
go.
in, I see rose
Or have breakfast in bed when she wakes up. How about that?
Valentine's Day
Before
is a
if you know
Tuesday,
that you
so
both
we have
work.
No hotel,
cook
no
breakfast.
You gotta go to
hotel.
work.
Sou vle aller hotel, ou vle depanse kwa bo business po, oui.
No, they
Mais
got-
sou
they got
pense, if you know you have a home, and you know what, you want to cook breakfast. Surprise him or her with breakfast in bed. Okay, when you come home, you both work. Come home
Trust me,
with
you know
some
which one of
roses.
the relationship usually
And
do.
you
But-
know what?
You'll know.
How about women who just want?
Then you're dating the wrong kind of women, and it's the same thing for men. If you want
they're
what
not
want,
giving anything.
then you're dating the wrong.
When I say giving, I'm not talking about like just a gift. It's just like they just waiting for that day for the men to.
Then you're not doing something right. I just said that you're not doing something right.
Doing anything any other days, so she has to look forward to Valentine's Day when you're finally going to give her something.
Listen, there's
if you're doing stuff on the regular,
yes,
she will not worry about Valentine's Day.
There's only
like,
expectations. That's
Day.
right. There's only expectations when you're not doing it on a regular.
Yeah,
No. But we did. No.
If
you're doing it,
I think we're talking in circles because that was my point earlier. I said that I believe in every day. Say, well, yeah, even if you do it every day, but on that day you still have, now you.
But you just said that. What about women that just want on Valentine's Day?
No, I'm not talking about in Valentine's. I'm talking in general. There are some
then
women.
you're
who
dating
just-
the wrong type of person.
Definitely
Any man that's dating any person. I'm not gonna say men. Any person, man or woman, that's dating somebody where it's want, and you feel that you're not enough. You're dating. That's not the person for you, because if you're killing yourself trying to please that person and they're not appreciating what you do, who you are as a person, then you're dating clearly the wrong person. And and I've said it and I'm sticking to it. It's true.
Wait, so Pusha just said we're selfish.
Jimmy Dejean, KPS.
I don't want to kill myself. I don't want to kill myself trying to please a man.
Is Valentine's Day for women?
No, it's for both.
It's not.
It's a day
So
of
you
love.
you would think Valentine's Day is for men?
No, I think Valentine's Day is for both. It's to celebrate love.
From what I
It's to-
see-
But
From what I
why
s-
is it the men got to do all the work?
Exactly.
But you know what though? Because men are born to pursue.
Yeah, usually don't do nothing.
That's the thing,
anyways.
and that's the problem. The reason why is because men are born to pursue. You guys are the conquerors. You guys are the one who goes after. So that's why they always make it seem like, of course, men, especially in Haitian community, femme parle des garçons. Okay, c'est garçons qui présentent cette vie by femme. Okay, so
It's true.
so
C'est du
femme parle
passé.
des garçons, non.
C'est du passé.
But
C'est du passé.
would you want me
Femme
to
parle
get
des
you some
garçons.
flowers?
From Balde, garçon.
No, exactly.
c'est du
The way
passé.
I was raised.
Exactly.
The way I was raised. I don't know about other
Exactly.
women, but the way
I
I
feel
was
the same
raised.
way too.
I'm sorry, m'pa un garçon. To me,
Dina
it's
pi mourir sans garçon non?
pas de problème.
You have moui.
M'pa faire ça.
Nou gen KPS sa, on boti gason, KPS, mse gen wave, non tek li.
Jean-Michel va quitter ça passer.
Jean-Michel.
Jean-Michel va quitter Dina mourir sans blonde.
My brother-in-law.
Oh, quand Jean-Michel?
My brother-in-law tells me all
does.
the
Wait,
time.
wait.
He tells me all the time. Il dit que ma mourir sans like si cette mentalité ça me gagne. Vraiment, he tells me.
I think people that are listening, Pushon.
Pushon, give us a call, Pushon. 561-635-9915. 561-635-9915. Go ahead, Edna.
Okay, I think he probably came on the wrong time, but we did say it goes both ways.
It goes
It's not
both
really
ways.
Only
No,
them
but
giving us.
You say it,
it's
your
more-
comments.
No,
Don't-
but
your comments prove
It's
otherwise.
not about our comments. It's
Listen.
more like you guys asking.
I've
But we're saying we don't need much. You don't have to go get me a diamond ring, a diamond necklace, some Pandora bracelet for it to be.
Listen,
to be
my
Valentine's
Pandora
Day,
bracelet
okay?
just
they
broke.
don't-
If somebody
they don't
want to
have
get me
to.
a Pandora bracelet, baby.
They don't have to, but she's just gonna mention all of
They
them.
don't have to, but you know what I'm saying?
Just mention all of them.
But today,
You sneaky, dog. You sneaky,
Listen.
dog. You very sneaky.
listen, my Pandora bracelet just broke.
See, I need a
Okay,
Pandora bracelet.
and you know what? I have all the charms. It's crazy because I have all the
Mackenzie,
charms.
don't listen. I know you're
how
single,
it broke.
Mackenzie. They're talking to you. Don't listen.
Moi,
Somebody
même.
wants to miraculously bring me a Pandora
know-
bracelet.
But what we're saying is you don't have to get us all that. Christmas, couples go all out and get each other stuff. But for Valentine's Day, what we're saying is you can get us flowers, get us a card.
What about people
and
who are
at
on
the
a
same
budget?
time, women, we'll cook. We'll get home after work. If we're usually tired, we're not cooking, we'll just cook. And we'll put some rose petals. And si nous, le plus souvent, nous pas sous ça. Si nous pas sous ça.
Go le plus souvent, but you talk for yourself. Listen,
Talk for yourself.
I'm just saying, it's something
Yeah,
different.
talk for
Something
yourself.
different. But okay, so travail ou fatigué. On m'a dit, living là quand so travail ou fatigué. I'm sure he's like, oh,
Daddy,
she's gonna be
depuis
tired.
nèg-
Oh,
depuis
il
nèg
fait
la-
manger le fatigué,
No.
you know. But now, you
Dis
know,
not to, depuis nèg la sous ça,
after
sous ça,
all
lui.
that, we're fatigué.
depuis nèg la fait
Oh,
ça supposé
ok.
faire.
Gabelle,
même
moi,
si pas
Gabelle.
sous
Boss
ça,
Fefe,
sous ça.
big up.
Okay? Depuis nèg la supposé, as long as the man is doing what he needs to do, même si Pat sous ça. I'm telling you. Map sous ça quand même. Because who got to work? What you know, he go to work. He help you pay bills.
Comment va sous ça?
Il gratte poisson, il fait poisson.
Oui. Même si
Comme ça, il y a Bobby si track ça.
Moi l'entrer dans Kaila, okay? Ou Kaila propre ou be something different. Like no, it's not me. I'm gonna twerk some tonight.
Listen,
just my house being clean. I'm gonna twerk some tonight.
Will,
it does make sense, but this is what they're saying because we keep on returning and saying we're gonna do. But what, like, you're gonna do something because he's doing that.
It's both that should do.
You know, it does go both ways.
People would stop. If you have to understand when you're in a relationship or in a marriage, you're together. It's a togetherness. You guys really need to stop thinking that one person should do and the other shouldn't, because you know it goes the same way that your husband wants something. He wants that love. He wants that attention from you. The same way too you want that love and affection. It goes both ways. You know what? Guess what? If he's already bringing you flowers, you know he's doing something. You make sure too that you have something prepared too, and you know what, you guys combine. A lot of women just expect, and you know they don't expect anything to do for the man,
so
and that's the
because
problem.
It's Valentine's Day, the women we are coming home expecting something,
and then you think
so surprise him. It's not really about us always getting.
And just thinking that you
know,
and if you're thinking that you're just gonna
surprise him.
Yeah, that's
both.
What I'm saying.
You both surprise each other.
But
if you think that you're just gonna give it to him. And that's it. If you think that giving it to him
is
just
it. Got it. What you say? Chérie, bang be dead le sous moi.
You know what's crazy? If that's all you guys, if that's all you guys want, yes, you're gonna get that too. But you know what?
Zina, you know what? Talking about that, Edna just said something about the women being too tired.
That's what I do.
Pourquoi
qu'il est too tired when she's doing it all by herself? When she's doing more than the man is, that's when she's too tired.
But yo, I'm sitting at work like, bro, I'm tired. I don't know how people that have kids actually go home and cook and do all these things.
I do.
I do have people around me that know that has kids.
I do. I have
exactly what, and I'm like, I don't even want to go to class. I don't want to do nothing, you know. I power to the women that actually goes home and take care of their family. And that's what I'm saying, because sometimes you get home, you are tired.
But you know why? That's because you don't.
Don't expect that because you were at work. I'm tired, bro. I was at work.
Then there you go. Do you have someone pouring into you? That's the problem. If you don't have someone pouring back into you, you're gonna feel like that. But when you have someone, whether it's a friend, whether it's whoever, that's pouring that back into you, you're not, even if you're tired, you're gonna have that motivation. That's the.
I guess because I'm not there yet, anyways. But I always say salute to the women that has kids and have a husband and does go home and actually do all that. Because women back in, but I can only imagine.
It's difficult,
you know, especially Valentine's Day. Mofo, you better do something. This is why they don't get gifts, because I've been doing everything. So it's Valentine's Day.
But what about the women who are by themselves? What about the women who are alone and single, who have children? Like today was not a good day for me, and you know what, and you have women like myself, and I always think, you know what, toujours gon moun ki pi mal passe, toujours gon moun ki pi mal passo, toujours gon moun ki pi mal passo. Konsan so your situation, and think about it. Mal travail, I have a child, I have things that I'm doing, and you know what, it's, you know, I'm pouring into, I have my friends that are going through their own stuff, I have this event that's coming up, I have so many things, and then you know what, I'm doing all these baskets for people, and then they're having all these sweet messages, and then Dina, yes, you're trying to build a legacy, you're trying to build for yourself, but at the same time, you're not taking any time out for you.
Regardez, excusez, madame Daphné relé parce que Daphné gon ba li sur Facebook là. Très intéressant. Parce que les dit comme ça que toujours essayer et faire Valentine's Day not just about her but about the couple.
I agree.
That I agree. Spécial pour Marie.
That I agree. I agree.
Et pas question spécifique nous pas poser de monsieur, mais nous t'es juste voulu pour font élaborer parce que Jean ba parler là entre nous senti que it's one-sided. I would like to hear your point in that.
561-635-9915.
Yes, I want.
Give the number now.
Please.
635 9915 561 635 99
She's asking what's the number. Okay, 661.
And this is what I've been
635
trying.
dis lan krel ou ka peti. Dis lan krel
Okay,
ou ka peti.
661 635. 99 Okay.
Okay.
561-635-9915 for the English speaking ones.
Okay, and this is exactly what I kept saying. I understand you keep on giving the example, but I think people are mistaken, thinking that you're only thinking that the guy have to give you a gift, which I think we probably on the same page, but different.
They
Groov'Motion, hello.
They both.
Hello.
Hello,
C'est
Groov'Motion.
Daphne, oui.
You're here.
You're live.
M'de de nou te deuxième relais.
Daphne.
Pas la veine, non.
Non, Mackenzie point ça.
Non, c'est juste, on connaît. Et on dit qu'on a que, ou toujours essayer gérer pour faire que, Valentine's Day, son bagage qui mémorable pour Mario.
Of course. I mean, I always try to make sure, you know, m'fait something. You know, I'm always, like, I'm the planner most of the time. You know, we go get couples massages. We just, you know, we do fun things. Even if we go to the movies, we go out to dinner, anything. Well, because it's not, you know, I'm not just going to expect from him and then without me putting in the effort.
But do you feel as though, in general, that such day is one-sided?
Yes, I do. Unfortunately, it is that way. But I try not to make it that way in my relationship, you know? Like, okay, it's about us. It's about, you know,
you know, Daphne,
what we've gone through.
Daphne, this is Boby.
You know.
Let me ask you a question, Daphne. Would you like Mackenzie as a brother-in-law?
Would I? Sure, why not?
I think that this one definitely will marry me off to anyone, and that's a
You
shame.
are so silly.
Oh my gosh, really? It's crazy because I think my sister will.
I will say, I'm not anyone, but Bobby will
I know, right? She just threw some shade right there. Like, what?
No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it like that. But I do believe that my sister, she's always saying, Dina, you're the problem. You're the problem. You're the problem.
Yes.
No,
Oh my gosh.
Daphne connaît qualité Mackenzie.
No, m'kon Dina. Like, photo only, okay?
Continue son problème.
Like, you know, you kind of have to, like, peel her off. But like, when she said the man has to, you know, put down that wall, I put a little comment there. I said, that man can't, you know, that wall can't be made of brick, steel, built by Superman and Iron Man, you know?
Right.
Because you gotta, you know, you got, it's a give and take.
So it's a big wall?
I mean, it's oh, you know, some big wall again.
What's son pas bleu là?
That's the one that is showing
But
me.
Daphne, you know what? That's your sister. I know. You know, you don't want your sister to die single, die without somebody. You want your sister to have somebody.
Of course not.
It's so especially when we getting older. So when we get old, you want to retire with somebody that you love, you know, on your side. Somebody that, you know what I'm saying, that no, you don't want to be like 75. That's when you're meeting somebody. So it's not the same. So just talk to your sister right now. Tell your sister that one thing.
Listen.
Tell her that one thing that you think she needs to change right now.
Listen.
To welcome a man in her life.
knows. Listen, me and Zina, we have conversations all the time.
Wait.
Okay? At the end of the day, Zina's going to do what she wants to do. She's a grown woman. But I always try to steer her in the right direction. I always tell her, you know, how I see things. And then sometimes she's like, oh, yeah, you're right. You know, like, I should. Like, but, again, she's headstrong. And you kind of have to kind of like...
Li rentre nan yon zore, li sort l'autre zore la rapide.
Ne va sortir pa Melil.
We're gonna act like she's not listening.
So she's always been the rebel child?
Huh?
She's always been the rebel?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Gon bagay, quelquefois, l'autre dit yon bagay en privé, son bagay. Mais l'autre dit en public, li vraiment where you really mean it. So, tonight is your chance. It's your chance.
Listen, I don't like. I'm back on for Dina. Dina knows how I feel.
And you know,
about certain things.
I know that I've always been the rebel child. I've always been the one that.
She crazy.
They, if they said Dina did this, nobody's really gonna be that surprised.
Hey, Dina, I'm telling you. Dina,
what the heck? What happened?
ça point là même.
No, she warned me. She said, I'm going to cut my hair. I said, okay.
I warn people.
L'alpha me dit, OK. Après ça, l'autre semaine, on vient avec tête tout rouge. Je me dis, bon, petite soignée. It's always something. I'm telling you, m'pas mal 2 mois. Elle a quitté cheveux à long encore. Après ça, elle a mis dress là-dedans. She's all over the place, that girl. Okay?
I take my frustrations out of my hair.
I like to do my hair different ways.
Why you
bleach? Did you pick one?
And it's crazy. It's true because, and I've realized it about myself. I take my frustrations out on my hair. My emotions, you can tell what I'm going through based on the way that I do my hair. Like right now, I'm excited. I want to try something different. I'm adventurous. And you know what? Yes, my hair is red, fire red.
But do you think that's going to get you a gift for Valentine's?
I don't care about that.
Definitely.
Bobby Pablo. Dina tellement confortable. Même que I don't think she cares having a Valentine's. Dis pas que.
Definitely. Fleur me dévoile ba Dina avant, so te fait avec.
Oh, moi-même, I don't know nothing about that. What does anything about that?
Definitely, m'a fait content voir, m'a fait compte. Parce que
c'est pas loin de ça.
C'est des secrets pas nous lier, dès que li dit me va joindre, m'oblige questionner nous gounier. So fait avec lui.
If I'm not just out there, I don't know what you're talking about.
En tout cas, Daphné, c'est un plaisir. Mais Daphné, si vous conseil avec couple qui marié, parce que vous-même vous mariez, what would that be? Un conseil pour Valentine, la Saint-Valentin, comme on dit.
Always see the best in each other, even when you don't like each other. Yes. It's hard. It's all.
We don't like each other.
Meaning,
you're not always gonna like each other.
Listen. You're gonna have fights. Listen, you're gonna have fights. What people want to pass away, like what the heck? But you have to look past that. You have to look. Okay, even though right now he's pissing me off or she's pissing me off, but I love her. Even though I don't like her ass right now or his behind right now.
Now I understand. You don't like that person.
You know what I'm saying?
Right now. Okay, I understand. Okay.
Yes. Always see the best. No, but garçon comme ça tout. I'm talking for everybody. Always see the best. Always see the best. Always see the best in each other. Always. And communicate. Okay? Parler. Tell the person how you feel. Because we're not mind readers. You might think somebody knows what you're feeling, and it's not even that.
Okay, I'm shocked to
and
hear
then everything is misunderstood. Huh?
I'm shocked to hear that from you. Because you're not mind readers, but you guys expect us to be mind readers.
No, I don't. I don't. You could ask my no.
Parce que Dina a bouche parle plusieurs fois dit comme ça que she speaks to you. You need to listen. The signs are there.
Listen, moi-même, I have to tell you straight up. I have to tell you. Make you somebody. And you know what? I have to tell you. Because, again, I'm not going to expect you to be a mind reader, and you cannot expect me to be a mind reader. Souvent problème avec moi, you talk to me. Mais tu sors me parler mais. I didn't think I'm sorry. Sometimes you think you don't do something, et puis, moun nan pren l'autre gens. How you gonna know si moun nan va pas la voir? You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. But Dina, avant aller, comme père partant de l'émission, qui cadeau gain vous paie même pour Saint-Valentin?
Oh, ça va bien venir sous.
Merci un peu, bien dit. Est-ce que vous connaissez?
I always got something cooked up.
Cooked up? No, you gotta be butt up.
Not cooking literally, not that literally, but I always plan something. I always, even if it's something small, I always do something.
Wonderful.
We do hope that you enjoy your Valentine. We do hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Welcome. Thank you.
Enjoy Valentine. Bye, Pierre. Parce que c'est
all right.
All right, guys, we got to go again. We gotta go. We're gonna need a last word from everybody before we go. We gotta close down.
Okay, last word from me. Gifts Made Perfect. Don't forget tomorrow's event at the Bombshell Boutique, 6 to 10 p.m. I hope to see you guys there.
Yes, Mackenzie.
Bon, m'a toujours dit même bagage là.
Même petit bagage.
Je dis son rendez-vous qui était normal, nous avons parlé de bagage normal.
Bagage normal comme ça fil bagage.
Bon, nous mener Africa là, nous mener tout le monde là et puis n'a continuer dire semaine ça son semaine l'amour lié comme n'a célébrer l'amour dans semaine là. Keep on loving. It doesn't matter how you love. On amis, quel que soit mon lié, just be nice to each other. Aider l'autre, comprendre l'autre, et c'est faire ça capable pour gérer ça et puis bon Dieu aime nous.
Oui, bon Dieu aime nous et moi aime nous. Bon voilà. Wesh, comme tu sais au Jaconet, ça c'est Boby X Pascal, le mec cool, le mec tranquille. Vous écoutez le show le plus chaud sur Groov'Motion, Canada's Best Radio. Ça c'est moi Laurent Car, c'est pour vendredi prochain, 8h, 10h, tranquille au Jaconet.
Bye. Go.
Well, thank you for tuning in, guys. It's Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for tuning in. All the Facebook listeners, thank you, and support the Africoco next weekend and tomorrow night that we will be having Dina's party. So support. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful Valentine's Day.
Are we going to Africoco?
Yes, Will, your turn now.
Well, it was a pleasure serving you. As we said, see you next Friday, 8 o'clock, live on Groov'Motion Radio Canada.
Canada's Best Radio. Big up tout le monde. Ça, c'est le show. Le show le plus chaud. Big up Sergine. Big up Ferrar Pascal. Big up Katina Dumergent. Big up Daphne de Limon. Big up Edmond, la DS SS. Big up Daphne de Limon, I'm sorry.
Hey, Kade. Mpote non de limon.
Oui, on s'en limon, oui. Oh non, c'est fini. Big up Facebook. Tous les groupes privés, big up.
Et si j'abandonnais ma fierté pour t'aimer?